So I gave them the review, the kind of review. Me, I cannot come because I will see some of them. Hey, it's so nice. It's so this. It's that. It's not the same thing they brought for me. They brought for these people. My own. I tell them exactly how it is. It is not good. It is not as described on the app. Hey guys. Hello. Let's do little unboxing. I've done this period. I've done a lot of unboxing that I could not even film. I did a lot of unboxing, a lot, because this time it's just blah 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 blah. But this ones, I just received these two now because they separated some of the items I bought. They just separated different Korea brought the Korea company brought the packages for me. So this one they just put these two together. So I'm unboxing this and this. This is the two things I'm unboxing now. I know, I think I had, it was 3. Yeah, another one here. So this one is umbrella. This umbrella is so portable, guys. Because me, I forget umbrella a lot. You see, I will just hold umbrella in my hand and enter bus. I will leave that umbrella there or I'll take it to somewhere. Maybe I have an appointment. I will just forget that umbrella there. It has happened to me a lot of times. So when I saw this umbrella on Temu, these things are actually from Temu. When I saw it from Temu, I said, let me just buy this one because it was so portable. Look at it, because you can just put this one inside your bag. So it will be difficult for you to lose, except there is water. If it's wet and hand. So I saw it and I said, wow, I need to buy this. And I love this purse that it came with, this portable purse. So you just open it like this, then put the umbrella inside. This is the umbrella. Wow. It's so portable. Look at it. And it's not expensive. I'm inside the bedroom because of these children. They are just following me about with their cartoon. And I don't want any copyright in my video. Because me, I cannot come and be doing voiceover. Voiceover is not my thing. So it also came with this. And the package is really many. Another one again. Another pouch. Another cover. So this is the main umbrella. So let's open it and see. Let's open it and see. Okay. I hope I have not spoiled this thing. Ozeba. Yeah, this is the umbrella. It's so portable. Very, very portable. And fancy. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay. So just close it like this. And then oh, this one is going to be the problem today because me, I don't even know the way they package it. I just pray I will be able to repackage it back. If not, I will do anyhow like that. So this one is eyelashes. Eyelashes with it came with eyeliner. Eyelashes and liner. So I have 2 in 1. It's like this. My video is not clear. I'm not using ring light. I'm just using only the bathroom light. So this is it. Eyelashes and eyeliner. It has different color, but I just bought the black one, black eyeliner. So I already have lashes on, so I would have tested it, but that will be next time. So this one is what do they call it? A kind of steamer. Is this steamer? Yeah, it's a face steamer to steam the face. So this is the charger, the USB cord. It's here also. I have to take So this is it. This you put on the face like this. Put it on the face. It has different sizes, the small size, the cup, and the big size. So it came with two. And it also came with this one. This one you can use it for your mouth, for respiratory problem. Maybe you put aerosol inside. I don't know what, in Italian they call it the aerosol. You just put it inside and then put this in your mouth. In case maybe you have sore throat and the rest. So this is the main engine. So although I'm going to be putting the picture here, but this thing looks like aerosol, the one I use for my children, for when they have catarrh. And it's so short. Because when I saw it on Temu, it was longer than this, and the person was using it to steam her face like this. So they said it was a face steamer. She was putting it on her face like this. So I think I have to charge it first. And it also uses battery. And it did come with the battery, so how would I know the sample of the battery that I'm going to put on it? It came with it used battery too, and you can also charge it because it came with a USB cord. But the problem I'm having with this thing is that on the app it was bigger than this. So meaning, yeah, it's where you put your anything you want to use to steam the face. You pour it inside here. If it's water or you have any other thing to add to it, maybe face wash or any other thing, you put it inside here. You pour that inside here, then you cover it, and then this is the power button. You just press and then you use it to steam your face. Just that on the app it was longer than this because it's so short. Look at this now, it's very short. But what to do? Sometimes you see them online, they come, they are small. Sometimes they come as you see them online, the same, just exactly as it is. Because I received this package, I think on about 5 days ago. So they've been sending me message to give review on this package, but I had a lot of unboxing to do, so I did not even go there. They've been asking me to give review, not the review they want, I go give them review. Because this period I give them past those well for review. They want review now, so I gave them review. So I gave them the review, the kind of review. Me, I cannot come because I will see some of them. Hey, it's so nice, it's so dense. It's not the same thing they brought for me, they brought for these people. My own, I tell them exactly how it is. It is not good, it is not as described on the app. I have a lot of them like that. They have been asking me if I want to return them, but the stress of going to post office to go and post it to them, me I cannot even do that much, because most of all these things, they are not expensive. So that's why sometimes I don't even complain that much, because they are not expensive. So if the time I will use to go and stay in post office because I want to post them back to them, sometimes I will just ignore. So that's it, guys. That's a few unboxing we have. I said let me just unbox it with you guys, since they want me to unbox and give them review on Temu. So I will go and give them the review that they want. I will tell them my mind. This thing was long, now it came with very short. Me, I don't sugarcoat things. I say it the way it is because I bought it with money. It's not free. Because I see a lot of people give review and say it's so nice, it's so good. Like this umbrella, yes, this umbrella is very nice. It is what I ordered that I got. But for that steamer, that face steamer, it is not it, because I'm going to be putting the picture on the screen so that you guys can see it. Well, I'm not going to say I talk too much, so that you see what I'm talking about. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Let me go and struggle to do this umbrella back, but I'm very sure that I will not be able to unravel this back with care. Thank you for watching.